Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the Daybetter Strip Lights, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Daybetter Strip Lights, receiver box, remote control, and power supply adapter, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. Before installing the Daybetter Strip Lights, clean and dry the mounting surface to remove dust and ensure strong adhesion. Peel off the protective backing from the LED strip and carefully attach it to the desired location. Press firmly along the strip to secure it, then connect the strip to the receiver box and power adapter. Plug in the adapter, turn on the lights, and use the remote or app to complete the setup and customize your lighting. How to pair. To pair your Daybetter Strip Lights, connect the light strip to the power supply and turn it on. Open the Daybetter app, tap the Add Device option, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the lights through Wi-Fi. Once paired, you can control colors, brightness, modes, and lighting schedules directly from the app or remote. Smart features? Syncs LED colors with music beats, creating dynamic lighting effects that match the rhythm for a better entertainment experience. Allows you to save personalized colors, brightness levels, and effects to quickly create your preferred lighting atmosphere. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Daybetter Strip Lights. See you in the next one.